Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing. Today I have my very first Boxed Heroes comic book box. So let's get into this. Give you a little card here, chance to win. They give you a playing card, 3 jokers. Okay, so let's get into these. Never had this box before, so I've heard some good things about it. Let's see what we get. First one. Batman 3 Jokers. Book 2. Okay. Then we have Venom Beyond Part 2. Third printing. Then we have Black Widow number 2. Then we have Champions Outlawed number 1. Then we have a 60-cent The Uncanny X-Men 163. It's a pretty cool cover. Then we have, ooh, wow, 20-cent Conan the Barbarian, number 35. That's in pretty good shape, too. That's an old one. Then we have a 15-cent from Beyond the Unknown, number 2. 15-cent comic. Then we have Superman 209. And then we have Black Widow variant edition, number 2. And I already have this one, so that's cool to get another one. So that is my unboxing from Boxed Heroes. Thanks for watching.